Ryoko's pudding. Ugh! Ugh! I hate you people. The reason why? I hate sugar. I just despise it. Because I had to cook so much shit with sugar! I also hate milk. Milk is disgusting. Ugh! Enjoy the fucking pudding, assholes. Not you guys. These assholes. Alright, see you later. I'm glad you didn't see my fucking face. Right after I ate pudding. Eat your fucking pudding and leave me alone. Is Ryoko coming back from work and the only thing that she can do is make fucking pudding? Because she's not allowed to cook any freaking meat inside this house anymore! Thank you for putting a petition inside her fucking house, you fucking moron. Ryoko is pissed because she hasn't eaten meat for a while. Ryoko carnivorous when she doesn't have meat. She's usually an omnivore. I am speaking of myself in a third person. Because nobody knows how much I despise milk, how much I despise sugar. Because I've been working with sugar for half of my fucking life already. And the only time I have ever approved of sugar is ice cream or soda. And that's it. Not much else can say, oh, yummy sugar. Ice cream, soda, and Nutella are the only things that actually make me have a happy face when I have sugar. I don't even know why people actually like pudding anyway. Why do you guys like pudding? Please tell me in the comments. Why is pudding a thing? I hated tapioca when I was younger, and I ate this shit not too long ago. Pudding, nasty. This is a small rant, because I had to work today, and I need to make videos because somebody actually told me, I'm not making fucking videos! I was drunk last night too, and I made videos. I'm trying to make a lot of videos, but you know, I'm only recording on a fucking phone. You know what makes me happy? That makes me happy. Lots of that. Alright. Later.